Dual admin approval makes sure that none of your profile settings can be changed without approval from two administrators. This gives the opportunity to make sure the impact of any changes are properly considered and aren't fraudulent. To edit your dual administration approval settings, click Administration, then select Manage Dual Admin Settings, then click Edit. Then select Yes to require dual approval for admin settings. This will present a list of admin changes you can apply dual admin approval to. Review these one by one. We recommend including it on all significant admin changes that relate to profile-wide settings. Make your selections and then click Review, then confirm updates. Staying vigilant and educated on fraud and scam trends is your first line of defense. We have resources to help you and your team on our Security Centre. Here, you can sign up for free security webinars and find information and guidance from the National Cybersecurity Centre. You can also start a chat with Cora in Bankline for security help at any time. Make sure your colleagues know what to look out for and work as a team to stay safe. Visit rbs.co.uk/business/security to find out more. Together, we'll beat the fraudsters.